According to Gartner, 80% of data projects fail because companies do not choose the right operating model from the day one. To rebuild a data and BI implementation, it costs you more than 100K. So you may want to watch this video and avoid spending that cost. The companies that choose the right operating model, they spend less money and not more. You will learn about it in this video. If you're a CIO or a CDO, you might be under pressure to democratize data and empower all of your business stakeholders with BI and analytics. And that's all I hear in any executive meeting that I go. Everybody wants self-service. Your stakeholders are probably very excited about business intelligence tools, whatever tools that you're using, Power BI or anything else. And they usually get a small training. They go on YouTube, they watch a lot of different videos, and they're all shouting that they love data. But 6 months later, you get into the reality that you have a lot of inconsistent dashboards around your organization. You don't know which one is using which source of truth. They are not consistent, and your information protection people start also asking uncomfortable questions about why, for example, we see the expenses of this VP on all of the business dashboards. Your self-service projects and dashboards start becoming a nightmare that may require to rebuild. I know that most of the time you think that you are starting small, it's the smart way of doing things, and then organically you are going to build everything, but finally it becomes a huge mess that you have to clean up and you have to start over. I'm Zahra Fathisalout. I'm the CEO of Global Data and BI, and I have been part of more than 300 transformation projects. More of 100 of them, they were data and BI projects that I was in charge of the delivery. The rest, I was either part of the project steering committee, project team, or technical design validation committee. I've delivered more than 6 digital platforms that use the power of data and AI, and they are deployed in 40 to 70 countries. I have worked with teams of 50 to more than 10,000 users, and on projects from 100K to multi-million. And I have also deployed data platforms for an international company, and I have created the capabilities for data and business intelligence for that company. Through successful and failed implementation across multiple business lines and corporate functions, I identified one fundamental truth, and that's the data and analytics projects should match 3 critical elements: cost structure, governance complexity, and expertise requirements. And those should really match with your business requirements in your company. The companies that get this right build once and then they scale, and those who don't choose the right elements, they have to start rebuilding and start over again and again. So in this video, I'm going to reveal the framework that will tell you if your data and business intelligence strategies succeed or they are going to head towards a rebuild. I'll show you the 3 data operational models that I see in all large corporations, but I have also noticed that 99% of executives don't know the distinctions between them, and also the real cost of hidden expenses that come with each operating model. I'll also speak about the expertise for each operating model that could save your company hundreds of thousands. In exactly 3 steps, you'll learn how to match your data and business intelligence analytics operations to one of these operating models and see which one is required for your company and avoid expensive rebuilds. You will also be able to calculate the total cost of ownership without breaking your budget. By the end, you'll know exactly which model fits your company and how to implement it without the costly mistake that make most of data and BI programs fail. I'll share one question that will tell you if your current approach is correct or not.